Introducing Kalachutsing pula, Plumeria rubra forma rubra of the family Apocynaceae. Kalachutsing pula is a tree up to 5 meters tall with grayish-brown bark and milky sap. Leaves are broad elliptic to obovate or oblong oblanceolate to 40 centimeters long with acute to acuminate tips. Flowers are wavy funnel shaped, five-lobed in various shades of red, usually with a yellow center. Kalachutsing pula is native to Mexico. It was introduced to the Philippines during the early Spanish period and is now widely cultivated throughout the country. Kalachutsing pula is a deciduous, commonly ornamental tropical plant grown on home premises, in parks, gardens, and graveyards because of its beautiful, attractive flowers in various colors and sizes. The different parts of the plant are traditionally used to treat various diseases and conditions, including leprosy, inflammation, diabetic mellitus, ulcers, wounds, itching, acne, toothache, earache, tongue cleaning, pain, asthma, constipation, and anti-fertility.